Hello world, my name's Charlie and I'm the Offbeat Picker. I'm a full-time reseller and that means I'm also a full-time deal hunter. And today I want to talk to you about another sale that's going on at Dollar General right now. The Brown Dot clearance started June 27th and Brown Dot clearance includes all fall and winter blankets, dishes, and some home good items. So today I'm going to show you what I found when I went to 6 stores yesterday, and then I'm going to show you some pictures of some things that you might be able to find if you go out looking, and then I'm going to show you some pictures of some things that aren't ringing up with the Brown Dot clearance even though they have a brown dot on them. And these items aren't great for resale value if that's what you're looking for, but these items are great for personal use or for holding on to for the gift giving season. So let me show you all the 90% off stuff I got yesterday. So here is a wall sconce set that I got for 90% off. I did manage to find 4 of these. As you can see, it's got the brown dot up in the corner. This is what they look like. In case you see them from the sides, they have the same picture on the side with the same description. In case you see them up on the sky shelves. Here we have a set of shelves that's ringing up 90% off right now. I did manage to find 2 of these in black and 2 of these in white. So they do come in 2 different colors. They are both ringing up 90% off right now. Here we have a wine holder. It's got a spot for your glasses and your bottle. And I was able to pick up 2 of these for 90% off. Same idea, they've got the pictures on the side if you see them on the sky shelf, so that might help you find them. And then we have 4 different water fountains that are ringing up 90% off. We have this tabletop fountain, which is ringing up 80 cents right now. I've got 4 of those. This one, which I kind of like, it's a taller version tabletop fountain. And it's got LED lights in it, and I only found 1, but good Christmas item to find, good gift idea to put back. I found 5 of these tabletop fountains, and 1 of this tabletop fountain, which also has the LED lights and kind of looks like a rock wall. It's pretty cool. I might have to keep that one for myself. I don't know. I was able to find 1 Himalayan salt lamp. Lots of times these don't end up ringing up on clearance, so I was pretty excited that this year they actually did put them 90% off. But I did only find 1, but I only went to 6 stores, so if you go to more stores, maybe you'll get luckier than I did. There are some cutting boards that are ringing up 90% off right now. As you can see, I got 1 with a W and 1 with an S, and I plan on repainting these so that I can just hang them up and use them for decorative stuff. You can see it does have the brown dot on the sticker in the back. I did pick up 1 in black and 1 in white of these little, I think they're more of the ramekin dish type bowls, just really small bowls. They're coming up 20 cents when you buy them. They've got the brown dot on the sticker. They do come in white and black. There's this set of tiny shelves to put on the wall. I actually only found 1 of these, but I'm pretty excited because I have a lot of knickknacks, so I'm definitely going to use this. They're $2.50 if you can find them. There's these wall shelves with chalkboards. They do come in 2 different colors. As you can see, I got a tan and a gray, and they've got the little brown dot hidden up in the corner, and it's actually kind of cool gift idea. It's got a little sign that you can change the phrases on it. Very cute home decor item. These metal candle holders are a part of the brown dot clearance. There's a gold version and a silver version. I got 6 boxes of each, and as you can see again, brown dot in the corner. You can see the picture of what it is on the side in case you find them on the sky shelves. And probably my favorite brown dot item that I found yesterday was this set of picture frames. There is a lot of these picture frames that are on the regular shelf, so So you do have to find the ones with the sticker that has the brown dot. So definitely scan the picture frames if you find them. If you find the brown dot, you have gotten lucky. And if it doesn't have the brown dot, it's probably full price, even though it's the exact same item. And something that everyone loves to find when brown dot goes on clearance is the blankets. I didn't find any other varieties, but I did find 12 of these fleece throws yesterday. They've got the brown dot on the label, and there's lots of designs to choose from. My favorite is probably this shark blanket. They've got space, red, white, plaid, every color and design you can imagine. Just keep your eye out for the blankets that have the brown dots. First item I want to talk about is this Aroma wax warmer. This looks like it should be a regular shelf item normally, so it was in the $10 spot, but it does have a brown dot in the corner, but it is ringing up full price. So I think it's one of those where they sent it out for the holidays, but it became a regular shelf item. So now the price discrepancy is there, but it's not ringing up on sale. So maybe you'll get lucky and someone will override it, but more than likely you won't be getting any of these marked down. The next item we have is this rug. You can kind of see it calls it a shag area rug. They're big fluffy rugs. There was a tall stand-up display of them, and you can see they do have the brown dot up in the corner, but they were ringing up full price in the store where I found them. So you might could get lucky and ask an employee, but they are ringing up full price for now. The next item I found was this cup holder for the car. As you can see, it's got the brown dot in the corner, but it is still ringing up full price, so you might want to avoid this item. And the last thing I want to talk about is there's a display of these weird gift items. They're a bunch of gag gift kind of things. And if you find one of these displays, they are ringing up full price right now. I did find an entire display of these gag gift items, and they were all ringing up full price. There's lots of different ones. You can see that's what the display looks like. It says novelty gifts. It's got brown dots. They are all still ringing up full price. Just want to show you some pictures of some things that are ringing up 90% off that I did not buy. There's this large piece of, I guess you call it artwork. I don't know what you would do with this. You'd have to have a lot of empty wall space to need it, but I did not buy any of these, but I found several of them in several different stores. There's a black and a white version. They've got the brown dot in the corner. They are 90% off. If you want some of those, pick them up. There are several different coffee mugs that all have the brown dot on the sticker at the bottom. I did not pick up any of these because I have way too many coffee mugs as it is. There is this dinner bowl. There's two different sizes. There's a smaller one and then a larger serving bowl, and they have the brown dots on the bottom. They're 90% off. There's these wine goblets, and I guess I could have got this for myself because my name is Charlie, but I didn't want another glass taking up my cabinet, I guess. Here's another mug. If you see any of these, they should be 90% off. There's some blue plaid with initials on them. There's these little soup bowls. If you find some of those, they're 90% off. I've got too many dishes, so I did not pick any up. This is usually what it looks like when you find the blankets. You're just going to see them all rolled up, stuck on a shelf. If you're lucky, they'll have a note on them. Those pillows on the shelf below are not 90% off, so that's what you got to keep an eye out for. Make sure the things you pick up are brown dot. These little Crocs, there's a white one and a black one. They've got lids on them. They are 90% off. There's some tiny measuring cups. I thought these were super cute, but I could not find myself needing them, so I did not buy them. They say homemade on the side. Little measuring cups. They're brown dot. And then there's one that says measure on the side. It's also a brown dot, ringing up 90% off. This is just an example. If you are looking for the large artwork, you might find it leaning against the regular home good aisle. So I did take a picture just to show that you will find this stuff just leaning on things around the store sometimes. And here's a giant wine glass, as they like to call it, which is also ringing up 90% off. It's in a box and it's got a sticker up in the corner. And here's another example of an initial mug that is on sale if you can find them. And that's all the stuff that I saw and did not pick up that's brown dot. So now that I've showed you everything you can be looking for, let me just tell you where you should look in the store. Usually you find these items around the seasonal aisles. So near where they have all the summer stuff out right now, they'll have the leftover stuff from brown dot, purple dot, red dot. Everything at Dollar General is usually classified with a dot unless it's regular shelf merchandise. So you're going to find this brown dot stuff somewhere in there with the seasonal stuff. And there is a lot of red dot blankets, so make sure you pay attention, be very careful, scan it in your app if you're unsure, if you want to see if it's on sale. And I'm really hoping you find some treasures. There might be a lot on the top shelves. That's always an option when things sit around at Dollar General for too long. They tend to put them on the sky shelves up at the top. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled and look up top on every aisle you go to. Also, most Dollar Generals do have a home goods aisle, which is full of dishes and blankets and picture frames and things of that nature. And a lot of these brown dot home good items have been mixed into the regular stock. So you can get lucky and find some mixed in around the store if you look around for a while. So I hope this video helps you find some great deals. I hope you find some stuff for personal use, and I hope you find a way to knock out your Christmas shopping with all of these gifts that are on sale right now. Good luck, guys. Bye.